very little burn, but it's okay.
Hi guys, I'm gonna make pizza with a mix of sourdough and active yeast. The point is to make sourdough pizza in 3 hours. Flour, water, salt, oil and some active yeast. Sourdough, some water, 65% grams and milliliters, same thing. Yeah, then we're gonna add some oil. So we'll bring it to 66, maybe 67. That's enough. Yeah. And we've got some active yeast. Yeah, about 20 grams. Or 15. Yeah, 15. Yeah, then I tear. I have to put 15%. It works like Polish or bigger. Oh, it was okay. 70% hydration. We still can make a really nice pizza. So let's mix it. We tear again. We put 0.2% of salt. In this case it will be 20 grams. It's okay to put from 20 to 30 grams. Yeah. It's 23 now. That's okay. Tear. Thousand grams. It's 1 kilo. It's a very strong flour. Let's see the protein. It has 14 gram protein per 100 grams of flour. Good. And then we will let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we're gonna do a first stretch and fold, or stretching, to make the the dough stronger. After 1 hour, we see that dough has risen a bit. You see these bubbles. It's good to have a wet hand so that the dough doesn't stick to your hand like this. So we do some stretching. We have to scrape off all the dough from the bottom, so there's no clumps left. It's good to give it a good stretch and fold, stretch and fold, and then we wait for another 1 hour, and then we will do dough balls and let it rest in the fridge. After 1 hour, our dough looks like this. I don't know if you see this. Yeah. So I'm gonna use some oil So oil on my hands, on the scale, some oil on the door. So I usually make larger pizza, so I'm gonna make 300 grams. Finally, now we're gonna make pizza. The oven is preheated up to around 400 Celsius degrees. Here is the dough, very beautiful. Maybe not. And voila. So we're going to make pizza with portobello mushrooms with chicken. Put some oil. This is the mix of chicken and mozzarella, which I had from yesterday. It's like leftovers. There's some pesto in this mix. Chicken and cheese. Chicken. Some mushrooms. Should be enough. Stretch the dough. Looks very nice, even. And then we forgot the pecorino. It's not a big deal. Let's go to the oven. I'm afraid. Well, let's see. Maybe it's gonna burn because it can be very warm inside. Let's go. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. Looks like. Oh, I forgot to bring the turning peel. It's okay. Can use the one. Doesn't matter. That's very nice. Very nice. Beautiful pizza. I don't want to burn it.
Let's go on that side. Okay. A very little burn, but it's okay. Okay. I don't want this to be color on the sides. Let's bring it back for just some more seconds. It should be done. Let's see the bottom. Ooh. Good. Very nice and even bottom. All right. We made really beautiful pizza today. Just 3 hours of proofing. No, the whole process was 3 hours. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna make some more videos. Oh my god, what is this? Bye.